games with you. It's either you want it or you don't.
If you like it, I will link the hair. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Vacay here. Welcome back or welcome. If you are new here, we love all things beauty, all things skincare, and babies and family. Mwah. And it's new. I got the new little spinny, little moving camera, y'all, and it's moving to him, not me anymore. So let me get it back focused. Oh, okay, there we go. So we love all things skincare here, beauty, hair, nails. Okay, we're a girl's girl. The girls are over here. So if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. So today's video, we're gonna do a product review on HerGivenhair. They sent me their curly 3-in-1 half wig. So let's unbox it. Let's get into it, okay? So first off, I like a little zippy off because I was interested in seeing. But y'all, this is quality. They secured their package before getting to us, okay? So here, look at that. Pristine. Okay. Let's take it out of the travel box. Now they keep going to my baby. What? Stay focused over here, camera. Ooh, you gonna open it, CJ? Come on. Pull it open. Uh-oh, not like that. Not like that. What's in there? Gonna open it? Oh, good job. Okay, got a little gift. What's this? A little scarf? Let's see. What's open. A little bandana or a little scarf or something. Okay. Oh, sleeve. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's gonna be real cute. Ooh, look at that. Okay, look at the marketing material. I love it. Look at that fro. Okay, perfect fro. Got a little book. What's this? Wig instruction book. Okay. Okay, now they got a wig instruction book. Now that's a first. That's the first of its kind. I never seen When Your Given Hair Meets HerGivenhair. Okay. Oh wow, look at the team. Now that was quite surprising. The marketing, the team. The marketing, the team. Dang, look, it came with a nice little, a nice satin bag, y'all, and it's some thick quality. It's double-sided, like, oh, I like that. This baby. I feel like it's lost. Okay, so let's finally get into the hair, okay? Y'all. Ooh. Look at that. It could be a wig. Why is my camera just messing up? It could be a wig, y'all. It could be a ponytail. Like, look at that. Look at that. Got 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a drawstring. Boom, boom. Okay, y'all, let's get into it. Okay, so for today's style, I'm going to be using some water and some Nairobi mousse. Okay, I just washed my hair. So let's see. Look at that. Okay, curls. Okay. And I think I'm just going to do like a slick bun, which I really don't plan on keeping this in. It's my birthday weekend, and I honestly don't know what I'm doing with my hair, but I wanted to get on here and do this quick tutorial. So, okay, to start, I'm going to part my hair since it is like a 3-in-1. I probably just part it like here, and then twist the rest of my hair back. But what's crazy and messed up for me, my hair is like curlier everywhere else than the front of my hair. So we're gonna have to do some work to get this to blend with the curls, okay? So let's just start parting. I'm gonna just braid this. Thank you, CJ. Brush your mommy's hair.
Mama.
Yes. Never did a half wig, usually a whole wig, put my whole head up, so let's see how this goes, okay? Take a part here. Watch out for my plants! Stay away from there! And me, I don't know why, but I'm an underbraid girly, so I think I'm gonna do some underbraids going straight to the back.
Mama.
Okay, so for the back area, I'm just going to underbraid. So you know. Okay, so the back is braided. Alright, time to put on the wig, y'all. Alright, so these first one I'm going to stick right here. Flip. Take the next one right here. The next one, matte braid. Boom. Took my braids in the back. Stop playing with little Charlie. Next, I'm gonna be using some Nairobi. I don't even know if I need any of these girls. Dang. Your girl is back. So here's my curly hair match with this hair, and already I can tell that it's not going to match up. So I'm going to do a hairstyle. I'm thinking a half up, half down bun. What's wrong? You don't need no juice, CJ. Timo? You can give him a little juice, I guess. Just a little bit. Mixed with some water, maybe. Mm-hmm. So we're gonna do a little half up, half down because my hair texture doesn't match this curl. Got a little scrunchy. You still can tell my hair texture, so I'm probably gonna take my hair and wrap it around the pony. Don't run with that before you drop it. Alright, boom. Okay, now that's cute. Now let me do my little edges. Okay, stop playing with them, Riley. Okay, so for me personally, I actually really like this hair. Like if I'm feeling lazy or don't feel like doing my hair, like this is a whole half up, half down. I could have left less hair out. So I'm gonna try a video doing that because I thought my hair curl would have kind of matched, which I don't know why. I knew my curls in the front don't hit. But this is definitely cute. Like no one would ever think this wasn't mine, you know? So just do my little edges. Pull the little hairs out that I want to do. And I probably should have washed the hair before I put it in because it got a weird little smell to it. But hey, this is just an unboxing quick tutorial. But yeah, in the wig book that they included, they definitely said wash the hair first. So I already planned on doing this video though, so it was a wrap for the washing it. Stop running in here trying to tell. Can't be no tattletale, boy. You can't be a tattletale, CJ. Like mommy's hair. And you about to pull up. Oh, look at that. Huh? Here we got a white van. He's small. I get to see Timo. Uncle here. See, they just fell. He's so happy. Cute little curl. Now that curl matched him, but all my junk ain't like that. So Oh, now that's cute. I don't know if my ponytail a little crooked. Okay, maybe it's that. No, this is cute. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10, even though I didn't get to do the style that I was originally hoping for. Like, this is cute as hell. Like, any night, any day, you can put this on and be ready to go. Like, I like this. I think I might do this while I'm trying to transition my natural curly hair. I might just do like a real thinner, you know, leave out and then braid everything, and then boom, my edges, swoop them, and then here we go. So that's the style, guys. Let me know how you're below. I love it.
Show your mom. Go show your mom. Here, go show. Your new collection.
Wow, you got me swallowing. You got some new cars. Oh wow, these the good ones too, man. Yeah, them Hot Wheels. That's the Hot Wheel brand.
Let me do it right here on your feet.
Ooh, that's blue. Okay. Yes. Yes. Uncle, here, go put him in your room. He said, wait, where my uncle go?
Wait. Try to sneak out on me.
We clean up. I'm done.
You got cars? Let me see.
I said, oh yeah, when I try to get my curls back in the front, I'm gonna be wearing this stuff. It's cute, girl. Come feel it. I wish my hair was really like this. I feel like my back is, but the front definitely. Yeah. I'm done now though.
You dropped them. Pick them up.
We didn't drop them everywhere.
Go get them. Go pick them up.
Always crying to your mama.
Look,
I think that's
Uncle
one.
got it. Yep.
I think that's one.
Yeah. Pick them up, CJ. You
I
can't be
think that's
throwing
another
them.
one. You didn't drop them all the way here.
How was your event?
Radio show was good. Then I had to go do a one mic. That was good. I can't wait to see the footage.
Nice. Put this shit up in there. Look.
I remember when I was a kid. I didn't have my cards.
You said you remember?
Hell yeah.
You didn't have one over? You said it was a special place?